Point number 3, find a business that's got cash flow. Cash flow is king. Cash flow is everything. There's a myth that, if I want to buy a business and I don't want to spend any money out of pocket, it's got to have assets. It's got to have real estate. It's got to have accounts receivable. It's got to have plant and equipment. It's got to have inventory. It's got to have all these things. That will help, but what's more important than all of those things is cash flow, because we use the cash flow to actually pay for the business that we're acquiring, either through a seller financing type structure, which is paying for the business over time, like you would if you leased, say, a Tesla or a cell phone, or we use that cash flow as collateral to offer it up to a financial services company like a bank or an equity investor. But that cash flow is key, because that recurring future cash flow, and obviously if you grow the business, the cash flow goes up, then we use that cash flow to pay for the deal, either repaying the financing if we're raising that for a closing payment or paying for the seller payments over time.